G'day everyone, it's Jack Harper here from Allan Co out of Carcoar, up here at the monthly store sale, the July store sale, reporting for RMA. About 4,500 yarded here today at Carcoar in total. A few heavyweight steers up early, over 330 odd kilos. The steer job opened up pretty well with some steers around $1,100 to $1,300, and then as the job went on it sort of softened a little bit. Those lighter steers from 230 to 330 kilos, anywhere from $800 to sort of $1,000 to $1,050, averaging sort of 330 to 380 cents a kilo at the top end. In the heifers, the heifer job was very steady the whole way through, sort of 270 cents a kilo up to $3. 230 to 300 kilos, anywhere from $700 to $830, and anything a bit heavier than that, anywhere from $850 to $1,100, and there was one exceptional pen out to $1,200. The cows and calves opened up reasonably cheap, I thought. Some good cows and calves, anywhere from $1,500 to sort of $1,700, with one pen of very good young heifers out to a touch over $2,000. And the PDIC job just wrapping up now opened up from $1,200 to $1,400, so quite viable there as well. But plenty of good cattle yarded here at Carcoar again today, and this has been Jack Harper from Allan for the RMA. Thank you.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?